Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how you can actually easily make some shorts from your long videos in Wondershare Filmora. So obviously you may want to make some shorts for your footage, but because it's generally a lot of hassle to actually export your videos in the various formats, bring in some subtitles and all sorts of stuff like that. But the really good thing about Wondershare Filmora, it has a feature that can automatically help you do that using the power of AI and some magic wizardry. So in this video, let's show you how it works, and you can see whether it's actually going to be a feature that you can use for your own videos. Okay, so to access the smart short clip, we need to go to the very startup page on Wondershare Filmora, and this is the startup page here. And we can just click on where it says Smart Short Clip on the option on the left hand side. And you're going to get presented with this screen here, Smart Short Clips. Now you have a few options here, which is basically to paste a YouTube video in, and you're going to need to log in, or alternatively you can just click a button and it's going to browse to your hard drive, so you can pick an option that way. Okay, so I'm just going to drag a random video that I've made into the screen here. The next option is we need to choose a video language, so I'm just going to choose English UK, and there's a few other options like duration, for example, and the theme. I'm going to leave the duration at auto, and for the theme I'm probably going to pick something like I guess I'm going to pick maybe I want to try educational videos. Now if we scroll down, we can see a number of templates. So you can see sort of the actual picture is going to look, and also how the subtitles are going to appear. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm probably going to just pick something. Oh, let's go for something like that to the top. Just leave it at the top. Then we click the generate button here, and it goes off and does its thing, detecting the language, and then it's going to upload the video file and do its magic. Okay, so I got a message back saying the detected language does not match the one I selected. So detected US and selected UK. Well, I think I know which language I speak. Thank you very much. No, I'm obviously from the UK and not from the US, and I can't choose that one, so I'm going to have to let it be at the US. Okay, so I'm just going to let it continue. Now this is going to take a while, so I'm just going to pause the video and then continue once it's actually finished. Okay, so that took quite a few minutes, maybe 5 or 6 minutes or so. Now it's now produced a number of different variations. We can see option number 1 here, option number 2, option number 3, etc. Now this is what it's decided to make. You can see it's taken a sort of segment of the original video. I think the original video is about 3 or 4 minutes or so, and it's taken what it thinks are the best bits of the video to make into a little short. Okay, so that's the first option. So the way it's done it is kind of got like a bit of a blur here. It's taken the original video aspect ratio, which when I uploaded was just a landscape because it's a long form video, and it's kind of put it in like that. Now I'm not sure how I feel about that just yet, so I'm just going to go to the next one, and it looks like it's done pretty much the same sort of thing again. So it's also done some subtitles underneath, so you can see it's sort of like I'm highlighting the words as you speak. Now this option here, number 4, I quite like because it doesn't have that blur effect, and it looks like it's just got a normal vertical aspect ratio. So I'm just going to give that a play. And again, it's got some subtitles. Of course, you can then edit the subtitles to make sure they are okay. And here's another option here, number 5, also in a vertical format. Okay, so most of the options of bar 1 actually have this sort of aspect ratio inside a rather big blur. So I'm not 100% certain whether it's actually better to try and convert a video to a vertical format yourself and then upload it, or it's going to just let it have a horizontal aspect and it does this blur effect. Now, to be honest, that I don't really want to spend the time making my videos in a vertical format, so I'm probably just going to let it do it like this with a blur and an actual just a clear view window where the horizontal format is showing. Alright, so once you've actually picked the one you want, I think I'm going to pick number 4. You can then click the export button, and that's going to immediately allow you to export it to YouTube, or you can, for example, export it to just your local hard drive, so if you want to edit it further, Or if you actually want to edit it inside Wondershare Filmora, you can also choose the edit button here. So let's just click that. Alright, so after you press the edit button, it now loads this screen here, so we can see we are in a special screen in Wondershare Filmora to allow us to edit the shorts even further. We have sort of subtitles on the left hand side, we have our timeline here, and we also have our preview window. Okay, so inside this window, of course, if we want to, we could actually just rearrange the actual shots is made, or we can just edit the actual text for the subtitles, and indeed we can also choose the actual subtitles that we want to apply. So it's got this actual style here. I'm just going to try and zoom in on my window here. But of course, we could actually change any of the subtitles if we want to, as well as adding effects, as we would do in any other video inside Wondershare Filmora. And of course, once we're happy with that, we can just export it and hit save. And as always. Okay, so as you can see, that is a very quick way of being able to use the feature inside Wondershare Filmora to be able to take your long form videos and to easily make some shorts from it using AI. Hope this video is useful, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks on Wondershare Filmora.